Now let us consider one example. So 1 propene on reaction with HC double bond OH formaldehyde. So in presence of a strong acid means we have to indicate H plus ion followed by the hydrolysis. So it forms a product. So we will write the product name. So we know already in the first step the H plus ion from the strong acid, it reacts with formaldehyde. So it forms a carbocation CH2OH plus. So in the second step CH2OH plus carbocation, so which is attached to the first carbon since it contains more hydrogens compared to the second carbon. So it forms CH3, CH, CH2. The remaining is CH2OH. So that the second double bond carbon gets positive charge. So the second carbon containing positive charge will be attracted by OH minus ion from the water. So OH minus ion will be attached to the third carbon. So it forms CH3, CHOH, CH2, CH2OH. So the product name is 4 carbons we have but 1,3 diol. Now let us see one more example. So if we consider one butene, so with formaldehyde followed by addition of a strong acid and hydrolysis. Then in the first step the formaldehyde reacts with H plus ion. So it forms a carbocation CH2OH plus. So it will be attached to the first carbon since it contains more hydrogens. And the second carbon will get the positive charge. तो पहला कार्बन को मैंने CH2OH ऐड किया था. So second carbon getting positive charge. So the OH minus ion from the water will be attached to the second carbon. So the product name is pent 1,3 diol. तो 4 कार्बन ले लिया तो प्रोडक्ट एक एक्स्ट्रा आता है, 5 कार्बन हो गया था. Now let us see one more. 3 methyl 1 butene. So with formaldehyde, so it forms a product. Second carbon gets positive charge. पहला कार्बन को CH2OH ऐड करना है. Then the OH ion from the water, it is attached to the third carbon, so that it forms 4 methyl 1,3 pentane diol. Now let us see one more example. So 3,3 dimethyl 1 butene. तो इसको मैंने formaldehyde ऐड किया था in presence of a strong acid. Then the carbocation CH2OH will be attached to the first carbon since it contains 2 hydrogen. तो पहला कार्बन के पास एक डबल बॉन्ड है तो इसके पास 2 हाइड्रोजन रहता. सेकंड कार्बन के पास एक डबल बॉन्ड है, एक सिंगल बॉन्ड है तो इसके पास एक ही हाइड्रोजन रहता है. सो द CH2OH it is attached to the first carbon so that the second carbon will get positive charge. So the OH minus ion is attached to the second carbon, it gets positive charge. प्लस माइनस के बीच में अट्रैक्शंस रहता, so that it is OH is attached to the second carbon. So therefore the product name is, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So the product name is 4,4 dimethyl pent 1,3 diol. Now let us see one more. So 1 cyclohexene on reaction with formaldehyde, then CH2OH is attached to the first carbon. तो पहला कार्बन सेकंड कार्बन के पास एक एक हाइड्रोजन ही रहता है तो कहाँ पर भी अटैच करो कुछ प्रॉब्लम नहीं है. So I am attaching CH2OH to the first carbon, then second carbon will get positive charge. OH minus ion from the water, it is attached to the second carbon. Now let us see one more. So 1 methyl 1 cyclohexene with formaldehyde in presence of a strong acid. Then the carbocation intermediate CH2OH plus is attached to the second carbon. Since the first carbon contain methyl means electron donating group. इलेक्ट्रॉन डोनेटिंग ग्रुप रहे तो न्यूक्लियोफाइल अटैक होता है. न्यूक्लियोफाइल बोलो तो एनायन है, बट यहाँ पर कैटआयन है CH2OH प्लस. देन द कैटआयन इज अटैच्ड टू द सेकंड कार्बन सिंस फर्स्ट कार्बन कंटेन डोनेशन ग्रुप, इलेक्ट्रॉन डोनेटिंग ग्रुप. So therefore the first carbon will get positive charge since it contains donating group. Then the OH minus ion from the water is attached to the first carbon. Now let us see one more example. So we have methyl group is there, nitro group is there. Methyl means donation, nitro means electron withdrawing group. Then the intermediate CH2OH plus, so CH2OH plus is attached to the electron withdrawing group. तो इलेक्ट्रॉन विथड्रॉइंग ग्रुप में जाता है. So it is attached to the first carbon, nitrocarbon. So I am attaching CH2OH on first carbon. Then the second carbon containing methyl group will get a positive charge. So the OH minus ion from the water is attached to the second carbon. So all of you do some exercises. So here we have methyl group is the donation group. Then CH2OH is attached to the second carbon. OH is attached to the first carbon. So cyanide Cn is withdrawing group. Then CH2OH is attached to the first carbon. OH from the water is attached to the second carbon. Amine group is there. It is containing one lone pair. Lone pair rahe to electron donating group hai. So electron donating group means then CH2OH is attached to the second carbon. Then the OH from the water, it is attached to the first carbon. So take it 3 as exercises.